All right, guys, welcome into today's video. We're here to give some updates on MMAT, MMTLP, and SMMT. So, hope you are ready for today's video. If you are, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below. So, let's get to it. First thing I'm going to do is look at the futures at the beginning of this video. The futures look pretty good as of last night. Going into today, the market was pretty good. And right now, the futures are barely red, leaning towards a little bit of a green day tomorrow. So, S&P is down 2 points. The Dow is down 10 points, and the NASDAQ's down 6 points, and the Russell is down 1.4 points, and crude oil is up basically 1 point right here. Metamaterials today was down about 4.5%. It was down 4.75% during the regular trading hours, gained a little bit back after hours. Volume was really light today. Average volume at 6 million. We traded 3.1 million. We're still sitting here at the 1 year $3 price target, so hopefully we can get to there. All right, take a look at MMTLP. Had a fantastic day, actually, because, oil is on the rise along with natural gas, and it was up 6.92%, trading at $1.39. Average volume today was 315,000. We traded at 238,000. I recently transferred some money into my TradeStation account because I'm actually looking to scoop up some more of this. So once that money clears through TradeStation, I will be picking up a couple hundred more shares of this right before this, S1 gets cleared, hopefully. I hope I can get my money cleared and buy these before the S1 drops, because I have a feeling that this price is going to go a little on a ride, to say the least, and hopefully in the right direction. All right, taking a look here at the oil prices. WTI crude is at $93.45. Brent crude is at $100.30, and natural gas at $9.58. So, as you can see, the gas is slowly creeping back up. The oil's creeping back up. The gas is creeping back. Natural gas is actually really good right now. All right, so let's take a look here at the Fintel. Someone did leave a comment of why don't I ever cover MMTLP on the Fintel, because MMTLP they don't have any action on here. It's not. That OTC stock is not on here of any information. So days to cover on MMAT is 6.35 days. Get out here and take a look. Short shares that are available is 300,000. And you can see we were down to 7,000 at one point. And just the other day, we had 3.4 million down to 7,000. Now we're at 300,000. So that's what it was. The shorts came in today and took us down. We had that 10% gain yesterday, and they wanted to bring us back down. They didn't want that rally to continue, and they dumped some shares on the market. Just my personal opinion.
There's never been a better time to get away.
Oh, where'd that come back?
Been a better time.
I hate that when those ads pop up. Here you can see the short bar fee is 11.48%. At the FINRA, the short volume ratio is a 48.82. And we're going to have some great information from someone here we're going to share later in this video. The aggregate short volume ratio is 47.93. So Benham here, our buddy, MMAT, there's only been one day this month where the off-exchange dark pool percent has been below 50%. It hasn't been below 60% since the 16th. And outside of Monday, 69.3 hasn't been below 70 this week. So thank you to Benham for putting this together on the chart exchange here. Look at this here. This chart is just mind-blowing, guys. Here you can see back on August 1st, 56, almost 57%. On the 2nd, 56%. On the 3rd, 47. On the 4th was 50. On the 5th was 56. On the 8th was 59. On the 9th was 57. You kind of see here. On the 16th, jumped up to 68. On here on the 23rd, 70. On the 24th, 74. And on the 25th today is a 72. Like, that is crazy amounts of short volume, guys. That is like, wow. Like, in the dark pool, they're saying 70% off exchange total is shorted. So that's why this stock has a hard time rallying, because as soon as you get a good positive day, the shorts are just going to hammer it the next day. And that's what's happening. These numbers here are telling you the truth of what's going on and why the stock cannot, rally and get above $1 because of this here. I mean, you're talking 72% of the volume of the dark pools is getting shorted. What can you really do? You're going to have, like I said, 100 million volume day to really knock down those walls. We showed yesterday, Smokey had that post out about the 100K sell wall in there. So as soon as they hit a certain price, there'd be a sell wall of 100,000 shares being dumped. Now this post here, I do want to cover. This here is going to tackle a little bit of FUD. So Smokey put out this post here, and he gave credit to the individual that had it, which is great. And we got this person here, the meta is dead, and he says, John Burton won't even mention MMTLP or MMAT anymore. He's trying to distance himself from the lawsuit. Now, we're going to go over John Burton's comment. I'm going to give my opinion on that. So John Burton replied, wrong, but you are entitled to your FUD. Since I am no longer an officer or director of MMAT or Nextbridge, I should no longer be making comments on filings and such. No more, no less, but you do you. Thank you, John Burton, for putting this fudster in his place. As you can see, if I go up here, I have that individual blocked, but I could view his comment because I did want to see what John Burton, you know, what he was replying to. And I knew he wasn't replying that back to Smokey's post, so I knew it had to be some kind of FUD out there that he was tackling, and he did tackle it right there. So thank you to Burton for tackling that FUD. Like I said, if there's anyone out there spreading FUD about MMTLP and all that, MMAT, I just block them. That's all what I do, guys. I just block them. All right, the next post here is from Tedley, and we got Tofu here. Actually, kind of did a retweet on this, and this is how I found it. So here he says, LOL, so easy to forget. MMAT is a world-changing company, and we all get to retire happy, #GoBeyond. So here's the post from Tedley. Out of all the different verticals we have, this is one of my favorite. They're all great, but if I had to choose, it's the GlucoWise. Don't forget, we were just granted the first U.S. patent for this. And here you can see the key benefits. Imagine living pain-free. And here it says the key benefits is the GlucoWise envisioned a non-invasive, 100% pain-free device. Our unique sensors technology will allow you to monitor blood glucose levels multiple times without the need to pierce your skin. That is amazing. I do have to agree. On the metamaterial side, this is one of my favorite things here because this is going to be amazing to get this out in the public and get this FDA approval. I said for metamaterials, FDA approval and this dividend, you know, well, spin out / dividend payout once it becomes Nextbridge. A lot of people comment on that. So basically, the sale of the Ora Grande cannot happen on metamaterials books. That's why it's getting spun out into Nextbridge. If there is going to be a sale, it will happen under Nextbridge. So got to keep that in mind, guys. So I actually wanted to come back and touch base on this stock that I've done a couple times in recent videos. And it's coming back down to the price where I about originally bought it. So I'm looking to pick up some more shares. This has dropped back down like I told you. I originally had an amount of shares. I sold half of those shares at $1.84, and it's dropped down a lot because the momentum is out of it. That's why it's down. Nothing has changed. From all the videos that I did 4 days ago and 2 days ago, there's only like 19% of the float left. The CEO and other insiders own 80-some% of the free float. So there's only like 19% of the float. It's a low float stock. There's not much available. Go check out previous videos. Me talking about SMMT. They're right in the thumbnail. So just go back a couple days. You'll see those two videos. Sitting here at $1.18, regular hours, after hours hit $1.21. And average volume is 1.8 million. And we traded 2.7 million. Back here is the video I did. I think this was 2 days ago. And it was up here at $1.53. And you can see it's dropped back down now to $1.21, which is really exciting. Honestly, I want to see this come down a little bit more. Let me check my actual price point. I think I'm in $1.14 on this, I want to say. Is where I got this originally. Price. No, my average cost is $1.18. It was $1.14, and I added additional shares at $1.18 or somewhere in there, and then I sold them at $1.84. So, like I said, this here is kind of a momentum play. This has possible big news coming out here in September, October. So I'm okay with hanging on to these shares. Before any of this big news came out about the CEO buying all these shares, this was trading like 90 cents or so. So I'm okay if this drops back down 90 cents. Because I will be picking up more shares with the profits that I made from the previous, swing trade from the $1.14 up to $1.84 on a good hunk of shares. So, all right, guys, that is all I got for you in today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Peace.